Hey Smart Shoppers! Welcome back to Buggy Smart, the channel where we help you dodge buyer's remorse like Neo dodges bullets in The Matrix. Today, we've got a 3D printer showdown that's hotter than a summer in Death Valley. On the left, we've got the Creality Ender 3v2 Neo, or just Ender Neo for short. And on the right, it's the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro, aka Neptune Pro. Let's dive into this filament frenzy and see which printer deserves a spot on your workbench. First up, let's talk cash. Ender Neo comes in at a cool $199. That's like getting a 3D printer for the price of a fancy dinner date. Neptune Pro, on the other hand, is $249. That's $50 more, or as I like to call it, the price of a regrettable impulse buy at 3 a.m. Reviewers mention that the Ender Neo provides great value for its cost, with ease of modification and community support. Neptune Pro reviewers, however, highlight that despite the higher price, it offers superior print quality and additional features. Which one will give you more bang for your buck? Let's find out. Alright, assembly time. Ender Neo is practically IKEA furniture easy. With just 3 steps, even your grandma could put this thing together. Reviewers appreciate the straightforward assembly process. Neptune Pro also comes pre-assembled, but throws in a complete toolkit. Some reviewers enjoy the added tools for future tweaks. If you're the kind of person who likes to play Bob the Builder, Neptune Pro might be your jam. But let's be honest, who has time for that when you could be printing? Bed leveling, the bane of every 3D printer's existence. Ender Neo has a CR Touch auto bed leveling system that hits 16 points. It's like having a robot butler for your printer. Reviewers commend its ease and effectiveness. Neptune Pro, though, takes it up a notch with a 36-point auto mesh bed leveling. It's so precise, it could probably find Waldo in a crowd. Reviewers love its accuracy, making it a favorite for those who print detailed models. Next, the build plate. Ender Neo sports a PC spring steel magnetic build plate. It's like a magic carpet for your prints, good adhesion and easy removal. Reviewers are impressed with its performance. Neptune Pro sticks to the classic metal printing platforms. It's like comparing a Tesla to a trusty old Mustang. Both great, but one's got a few more bells and whistles. Reviewers note that, while both are effective, the Ender Neo's plate offers a slightly easier experience. Extruder and nozzle time. Ender Neo has an upgraded full metal extruder, which means fewer clogs and more durability. Reviewers appreciate its reliability. Neptune Pro boasts a dual-gear direct drive extruder made of stainless steel with a 3-to-1 reduction ratio. It's smoother than a fresh jar of Skippy peanut butter. Plus, Neptune Pro's Nozzle Kit is like the Swiss Army knife of nozzles. Titanium, aluminum, brass, the works. Reviewers highlight the Neptune Pro's versatility and superior performance in this area. Let's talk noise. Ender Neo has a silent motherboard, promising a printing experience quieter than a ninja tiptoeing on cotton. Reviewers love the quiet operation. Neptune Pro also brings the silence with its STM32 motherboard and low-noise stepper motors. At 47 to 48 decibels, it's like the sound of a gentle breeze. If that breeze was assembling your dream project. Reviewers note it's equally quiet, making both printers a good choice for noise-sensitive environments. Lastly, smart features. Ender Neo has a new 4.3-inch UI with model previews and 9 language options. It's like having a multilingual, tech-savvy assistant. Reviewers appreciate the intuitive interface. Neptune Pro has smart resume printing and filament auto-pause features. ensuring your print doesn't fail if you run out of filament or lose power. It's basically the MacGyver of 3D printers. Reviewers love the added reliability these features bring. Reviewers generally find the ComGrow Ender 3v2 Neo to be a great value for its price, highlighting its ease of assembly, print quality, and quiet operation. On the other hand, the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro is praised for its superior print quality, precision, and robust feature set, despite its higher price. So which 3D printer is right for you? If you're looking for an affordable, easy-to-assemble printer with a magic carpet build plate, the Ender Neo is your new best friend. But if you're willing to shell out a bit more for extra precision, a dual-gear extruder, and some serious smart features, then the Neptune Pro is your go-to. Remember, folks, buy smart, print smart, and most importantly, stay smart. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy printing!